If you cannot turn on your Xiaomi Watch 5, what you can do is you can use the charger and you can start charging Xiaomi Watch 5 and then you can try to turn it on. There is a chance that your Xiaomi Watch 5 simply drained the battery. Maybe you didn't use it for some time and now it ran out of the battery. So therefore, it is recommended to simply connect the charger to the smartphone and start charging it. So let me just quickly do that. I'm just gonna connect it over here, and of course, it is recommended to use a charger, a power adapter, some sort of, for example, the one that you use to charge your phone. You can also, in theory at least, use your computer, you can use your smartphone, you can use power bank, and so on and so forth. But the best option is, of course, going to be a proper power adapter that you put into the power socket. So let's plug it in. And there is a chance that if you connect the smartwatch to the charger, if you start charging it, then straight away it's going to turn on, just like it happened right now in my case. And in some cases you will have to press and hold the power button to try to turn it on. If you try to do that straight away and it doesn't work, if your smartwatch doesn't want to turn on or it didn't turn on after once you start charging, then you want to wait like half an hour, maybe up to an hour or so, to let the smartwatch actually charge a little bit or for a little bit. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.